Hello everyone, I hope you are having an amazing day. So in this tutorial we will learn about how to view liked post on Instagram. Okay, so first of all we have to go into the Instagram, and now in the Instagram, as you can see your feed, you have to tap on the profile icon which is on the bottom side, and now in the profile you have to tap on the triple bars which are on the top side along with the plus icon. Alright, so now you can see this menu, and now you have to tap on your activity. So in your activity, as you can see the likes option, you have to tap on that, and inside here you will get all the posts that you have liked. Alright, so as you can see here, you can actually go to these files as well. If you want to go, you can unlike them from here as well, but this is how you can actually view the liked posts on Instagram.